Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I have decided to go into juicing. I have this big expensive Breville juicer and I don't really put it to work, so I want to go on a juicing journey. So I looked up low carb um, vegetables and fruits to juice last night, and I looked up all of the things that each juice is good for. I think juicing could be very beneficial to my kids and my health to do this. So I've decided this morning to start my morning off with celery juice. It helps digestion, blood pressure, all kinds of stuff. I'll put in the description box what all exactly that I learned it will help. So I'm just going to get started and juice this celery. I have literally a whole bunch of celery. So try this. It can't hurt, right? From what I'm reading, raw veggies have a lot more nutritional value than cooked to death ones. So let's just get this show on the road. So look at that juice. It is pure celery juice. I'm not clear on how much I should drink. Got that nice froth on top. I love it. So let's try it, you guys. Alright, as you guys all saw, I got that celery juice. I got, from one whole pack of celery, I think 20, I got 20 ounces. I'm not sure of these measurements, but it's right at like 20 something. So I'm going to just drink up, and I'm going to do it fast because I particularly don't like celery. Look at that, it's so pretty. Looks like a Ghostbuster drink or something. Oh, I'd read this, but I was reading all the health benefits and I gotta do it. I'm having digestion issues. I feel like my blood pressure may be creeping up, so I'm just going to chug. I'm not even gonna lie, that's horrible. But as long as I chug, I'll be fine. Not even gonna lie, that is horrible. But as long as I chug, I'll be fine, I think. I don't even like celery cooked, like in soup or anything. But I'm willing to do it. Maybe I should juice something else with it to give it another taste. It's like salty tasting. In this cup I had, I think 5 ounces because it's at 15 now. Oh gosh. Please give me the bravery to drink the rest. Okay. I'm definitely going to have to put some other juice in with this to make it taste a little better. If not, I'll gag the whole way down. This better fix my digestion issues. Got this much left. I'm not even going to sit here and lie and say, oh, this is so good. This is so healthy. This tastes like trash. I'm honest. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, I can do it. Oh, come on. You can do this. So I drank my first juice. Did I like it? No. But I feel like this is good for me, so I'm going to keep doing it. So yeah, you guys, if you have any great like low carb juice recipes, please let me know. I can sure use something. What could I put with this celery juice to make it taste good enough just to be able to chug in one go? If I just try to chug the juice from just celery only, it's going to come back up. I promise that. So, I mean, low carb fruits are berries, strawberries. Maybe a cucumber could change the taste a little bit, or an apple, a small apple. I don't know, you guys. If you have any ideas, please let me know. I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching my first juicing video. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And you can share my video. I don't mind. I love you all and I appreciate you all.